Hi, my name is Shaan, and this is my code. And so, first thing I did, imports, that's easy. And then I made a command where, and I did int and input, in an input to make it so that they can type in that place. And then if that command is over 0, then it will say number bigger than 0, and then I basically did the same thing. And then right here it says add, and then it says if they type add, then it will do command, it will do whatever they put here plus whatever they put here. Same thing with this, but it's minus. Same thing with this, but it's multiply. Same thing with this, it's divide. And then right here they can type, and then once they're done with that, right here they can type 1, 2, 3, or 4. So and 1 is add, 2 subtract, 3 divide, and 4 is multiply. And option equal input, enter your option. So enter one of these, and then basically if this is equal to number 1 or add, then it will do this. Same thing with this, it will do this. Same thing with this, it will do this. Same thing with that, it will do that. And that's my code. Goodbye. Oh wait, also it's in a forever loop, so when you're done, it breaks. And then if someone does anything else, then try again or print sorry, wrong option. Okay, goodbye. See you next time.